Frustrated with the Bunifu user interface WinForms DLL pop-up blocking Bunifu Tech? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before the technical guide for Bunifu user interface WinForms, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Bunifu user interface WinForms, a popular UI framework for .NET WinForms used to create modern, flat interfaces for desktop tools and trainers. Because it is widely used in custom launches, it is frequently flagged by antivirus tools. If missing, the application will fail to load its dashboard, citing an assembly mismatch. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Unlike Windows core files, Bunifu user interface WinForms DLL belongs to the specialized Bunifu Tech environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Bunifu user interface WinForms. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Bunifu user interface WinForms DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Bunifu user interface WinForms management. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Bunifu user interface WinForms from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.